welcome back to another episode of Stitch on Saturday. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a bind off when you're done your Tunisian crochet project. I realized that I never shared this, so I'm going to go ahead and share how to do that with you today. So I'm using the Clover Takumi 5.5mm crochet hook, and I'm using the Line Brand Yarn 24/7 cotton. And so I've done a few rows of Tunisian simple stitch. So basically the way you bind off is you're going to go into your loop. You're going to go across as if you're doing your normal forward pass, but you pick up the stitch and then you're just going to pull it through the previous stitch. So you're just slipping, you're doing slip stitch across basically. So then again you pick up your loop and then you're just gonna slip stitch. Basically you're pulling your loop through that one. So you only have, so unlike how it would be if you're doing the forward pass, you're gonna have just one loop at a time on your hook. You're just gonna have one loop across. So you're gonna pull up this loop and then pull it through the previous loop. Pull up a loop, pull it through this previous loop, pull up a loop, pull this loop through the previous loop, again pull it through the previous loop, and then pull it through the previous loop, and that's your bind off. And basically you can do this in any stitch, whether you're doing the Tunisian purl stitch, the knit stitch, anything. Basically the concept is the same. You're just going to be slip stitching across. So that's how you do the Tunisian crochet bind off. I hope you found the video useful. And make sure you subscribe, follow along, so that you're updated every time I add a tutorial. I do both knit and crochet tutorials. And yeah, make sure to share, follow, subscribe, and I will see you next time.